So a few months ago, I uploaded a video on my YouTube channel where I launched a Discord bot that backs up the members of your Discord server. So if your server ever gets nuked, you can easily recover it, and it was very helpful for many users. But it needed some updates and new features. So in today's video, we will talk about what new things we added, what enhancements we made, how you can get it, and we will also learn how to set it up. So let's go. So first, we will see where you will get the code from. So if you click the link given in the description, you will reach this page. And if not, you can type this URL yourself and you will come here. After that, you will see many other bots and codes, which you can check out. But for now, you will see this shop tab. So click on it. Here, you will find all Discord bots that are fully ready. And the bot we are looking at today is the backup members one. And as you can see, there is 30% off for the first 5 people. So if you want the discount, you should get it right now, all right? After that, if you click on it, you will get all the details. There is a lot, and we will look at it later, but if you want to read it, you can, all right? Then simply buy it from here. And as soon as you buy, you will get this zip file. Then simply unzip the file and open it in Visual Studio Code. And if you do not know how to open a folder in Visual Studio Code, I will tell you, just hover on File and then Open Folder, all right? After that, you will get the complete source code. Here you will find the complete changelog of updates and a README file where you will get everything about how to run and set up the bot. So now I will tell you how to set it up. And again, you will get the complete source code so you can modify it however you want. After that, for setup, you will see the config.json file. Click on it. And here I have blurred my information for security reasons, but you will add your bot token and then the bot ID, which you will get from the Discord developer portal. And I will give you the link in the description. And if you do not know how the developer portal works, you can watch videos on my channel. It is very easy. After that, you need a database, which we will use free MongoDB for, and you will paste it here. Again, if you do not know how to get the URL, I have a MongoDB video. Watch that. After that, click on File and Save. All right. And after doing that, click on the .env file. And here first give your ID, then client secret, then client ID, then guild ID, then logs channel ID, and then OAuth URL. And again, you will get all this from the Discord developer portal. I will show you in a moment how to get it so there is no confusion. And the rest, like your own ID and your server ID and the logs channel ID, you already know how to get it. All right. So here is the Discord developer portal. So simply come to this URL and log in with your Discord account. After that, if you made any bots, you will see them here. Otherwise, it will be empty. So simply click New Application and create your bot. After that, you'll come to a page like this. Here you can set the bot name and description and icon. And here you'll get your bot ID, which we also call client ID. And if you go to the OAuth tab, you will again get the client ID and client secret. And if you go to the bot tab, you will get the bot token. And scroll down a bit and enable these 3 options. And you can also set a banner if you want. All right, now another thing we need is the OAuth URL. So for that, go to the OAuth tab and click Add Redirect and add the same URL. Then scroll down and check Identify and check Guilds Join. And then from the drop-down, select Redirect, and then you will get your generated URL, and that is your OAuth URL, all right? I have told you everything you need to get, all right? And after that, our work here is done. And now we will go back to Visual Studio Code. After that, we need to start the bot. So if you see the terminal here, good. And if not, click the 3 dots, hover on terminal, and click New Terminal, and your terminal will open. And here simply run the command node space dot and hit enter, and your bot will run perfectly. Now we will go to our Discord server to test it. So here is our bot, and all right, so let us test it. So when you type / and click your bot, you will see all the commands here. And yes, if commands do not show, then refresh your Discord once and they will appear. All right, so there are many commands and we will check them all, but first we need to set up the verify system for that. Choose the verify command. Now we will design the verification embed. So here, title, description, the role we want to give verified users. And more options that we added in version 2 of this bot, like which channel to send, the embed in the button, text footer, embed image, thumbnail, or color. You can modify everything, but I will keep it as it is and press enter. So you will see it shows us a beautiful success embed, which was not there in version 1. And then you will see our embed where users can verify themselves. So to verify, simply click verify and a modal will pop up. And earlier in version 1, we only had simple addition math questions, but now there are more than 25 different types of questions, as you can see. And if you give the wrong answer, it will say verifica, see on failed, and also send a verification log. So the server admins, or you can see who is doing what right after that. If you verify again and give the right answer and submit, you will see we gave the right answer. But the verification is still not complete and it did not send logs. And that is because until the user authorizes, we cannot back up the user. So now we will click authorize. And here we are asking the user for permission because after authorization, we can add the user back to the server. And yes, I also suggest you make an embed telling users why you need these permissions. So nothing is hidden, all right? So as soon as I authorize, you will see it takes me to a page that shows in a very beautiful way that I am verified. And again, in version 1, this was very basic, but now it is much more beautiful. And if I show you, it also gave me the role and sent the verification logs. And one more thing, for example, if I go to roles and drag the bot role below the role it needs to give, then the bot cannot assign the role. We've also handled this well. So now if the user authorizes, they will see a page that tells them verification failed the reason and also how to fix it, which is cool, isn't it? All right, so now I have verified using one of my alts, and now we will check the remaining commands. So first the join add command, and for example, I verified using my alt and then left the server. And as you can see, the alt is not in the server now, and when I run the join add command, we will get a confirmation embed. But before, in version 1, it was not like this at all. In that version, users would start getting added as soon as you ran the command, which was not correct. But now, if you want to cancel, you can cancel. And if you want to add, you can simply click yes and the users will be added. However many verified users there are right now, only one was verified, so that one got added. Very good. After that, the join clear command. And by using that command, you can remove all users from your backup. Then the remove command. With this, you can remove any specific user if you want. And then stats with this. You can see statistics of your backup and then user list. This will show you all backed up users. And that is it. I hope you understood everything and I hope you liked the bot. But still, if you face any issue, the link to my server is in the description. You can join and I will personally help you in setting it up. And one more important thing, remember that the URL used during verification is localhost, which means others will be able to verify but not authorize. So for that, you need to host it. But do not worry, you can very easily host it on Vercel, which is free forever and works very well. And if you do not know how to do it, you can pay an extra $10 and our team will host it for you. All right, bye guys.